20-year-old company founded in 2003. We started as an original service company, so we named it Reuse Concrete Sealing LLC. Over time, as we learn and acquire experience from the installation services, in 2008 we developed a product line of cleaners and sealers named SealGreen. Because of the incredible success of our products, in 2011 we renamed the company SealGreen Reuse Concrete Sealing Specialists LLC. SealGreen products are sold nationwide and to some international markets. All of our products are environmentally safe, pet-friendly, and focus on the protection of concrete, clay bricks, natural stones, and the protection of our environment, specifically the impact on water contamination and climate change. We believe that more we protect the installations, the less impact we'll have on our environment.
Hi, I'm Mike Hernandez. I'm the owner of Reuse Concrete Sealing, and this is my wife,
Connie Hernandez.
Reuse Concrete Sealing is a company dedicated to the protection of concrete by sealing it with the latest technologies in chemistry.
A lot of people wonder why they should seal their concrete. What most people don't realize is that concrete is porous. It's like a big sponge and it absorbs water. The water penetrates into the concrete, freezes inside the concrete and expands. And then it melts and refreezes and breaks more. It's the freeze-thaw that does the damage to your concrete.
The purpose of a siliconate sealer is to be a high, fast reacting product. So the moment it comes in contact with the concrete surfaces, immediately starts reacting with the cement around it and creates a nice barrier in the upper part of the concrete without creating a nice shiny surface or anything like that.
It takes enormous amounts of energy to make cement. So the more you can sustain the concrete that you already have, the less cement that people have to make, and the more energy you can save.
And we wanted to make sure that everybody throughout the world in the United States will have access to a good product. Typically in this sealer industry, a lot of the products are very heavy to be transported around. So to solve that problem and following the green movement, we decided to make all our products concentrate. So that way we could ship equal to 50 pounds, 2 pounds across the United States for a minimum amount of cost. We've been in business for over 9 years. We have millions of square feet of concrete seal with our products. We are highly accredited, and we have a lot of hands-on experience. We welcome you to our Overland Park, Kansas office if you have an opportunity to visit us, or visit us at our website at www.sealgreen.com.